Hello student, this video we are going to discuss weight of the object on the moon surface. Okay, we are taken this as the moon. Okay, so we will consider it is a moon, some object on the surface of the moon, some object, even it may be human being or one apple, anything you can consider. Okay, we will consider human being, one person. Okay, so it is a mass of the moon and this is a human being, it is on the moon. Okay, so now we are going to calculate, we are going to learn how to find the weight of the object on the moon. Okay, so we know universal law of gravitation force, F is equal to G times of m1 m2 divided by d square. Okay, so according to this, okay, mass of the moon and mass of the person, okay, one person on the moon. Okay, so now F is going to be taken as a weight of the person on the moon. Okay, so weight on the moon. Okay, so I am going to take it Wm. F is equal to me, W is equal to mg. Okay, G is gravity acting on the moon. Okay, W, F I am taken as a W, G, m1 I am taken mass of the moon. Okay, m2 I am taken mass of the person, and d square I am taken, it is d is a distance between the two person, it is distance between the moon and the person, it is r, radius of the earth. Okay, so radius of the earth whole square. Okay, the same equation, the same person, it is I consider on the earth surface. Okay, the same person I am considered on the earth surface, its a weight on the earth. Okay, the same value G is same, mass of the earth. Okay, person mass, okay, divided by, it is radius of the earth square, it is radius of the moon square. Okay, so we are finding this two ratio only, weight of the moon divided by weight of the earth. What is the relation between these two? Okay, it is a G times of equation 1 divided by equation 2, G times of m small m divided by mass of the moon, its mass of the moon, its mass of the person divided by radius of the moon square, divided by G times of mass of the earth, mass of the person and radius of the earth square. G get cancelled, person mass wherever will be the constant. Okay, just denominator I am bringing as numerator, mass of the moon divided by radius of the moon square into radius of the earth square will come in a numerator and mass of the earth will come in a denominator. Okay, it is a weight of the moon divided by weight of the earth. Okay, so weight of the moon divided by weight of the earth is equal to mass of the moon. Okay, mass of the moon we are going to get 7.36 into 10 power 22. Radius of the earth, okay, is 6400 kilometer, is 6.4 into 10 power 6. Okay, and it is mass of the earth 6 into 10 power 24 kg. Again radius of the moon, okay, radius of the moon 1.74 into 10 power 6 whole square. Okay, this full calculation we are going to get mass of the moon divided by weight of the moon, weight on the earth is equal to 0.165. it is approximately equal to 1 divided by 6 Wm, its weight on the moon and divided by weight on the earth is equal to 1 by 6, that is weight on the moon is equal to weight on the earth divided by 6. Okay, in case if you on the earth you are 6 Newton means, okay, on the moon you are going to be only 10 Newton, that is calculation is representing. Okay, thank you.